In this week's video, we're going to be building this. It's right behind me. It's a modern rustic wall art decoration for anywhere in your house. So let's start this build right now.
Not welding just yet. I have to get the bandsaw out. I have to cut these steel pieces to 4 foot. I have 4 sections of that I have to cut, and then I'm going to weld up that frame. So let's go. Alright guys, so I cut all the pieces at 4 foot, all ready to go. I squared it all off. It's got this black coating on there, so I had to sand it off. I'm going to be using my nice little sander right here. It's called a belt sander. Alright guys, I sanded all those edges with that belt sander and it worked out great. So now I squared this off. I'm going to start welding it right now. Guys, it's the next day, so what I'm going to do right now is take this out, sand it up, paint it, get it prepped, ready to go, and then I'm going to start laying all the boards into it and start screwing them to the frame. So let's get right to it. Guys, I'm going to start ripping all the pieces down for the background of that piece that I took outside and painted. So that's outside drying. So I'm going to start ripping on a table saw. So here we go. Alright guys, I just cut all these pieces to 2 inches, so this is going to be the background of that mountain scenery. So I'm going to start installing these right now. Alright guys, so I finished up putting all those planks on, so I'm going to start burning this thing. I got my trusty little blowtorch right here, so let's start burning. Alright guys, so I finished up burning this entire thing, so that's complete. I'm not burning nothing else. So I'm going to start staining this part, the mountain sections, an early American stain. It's a lighter color, and I'm also going to be staining the sun up here a red mahogany to darken it up. So let's start staining. Alright guys, everything's burnt, stained, ready to go. So it looks really nice. So what I did is I laid it down on the face of it, because the way I'm going to hang it is using a French cleat system. So I'm going to cut a piece around 3 foot. I'm going to cut a 45 on it. One's going to go on the wall and one's going to go on the panel. And then all it's going to do is clip right on. So let's start making this. Alright guys, so I got my stud finder right here. I'm going to find where the studs are, and then I'm going to start hanging this cleat right here. And the cleat's going to go just like this, so that the angle is back towards the wall. Then I'm just going to be able to clip my panel right on, and that's it. Alright guys, we just brought that panel in. It's on the French cleats right now. So this is roughly like 35 to 40 pounds. So those cleats hold a lot of weight. If you guys like these types of videos, mountain scenery or any type of wall art, please leave a comment below so we can get back to you guys and build another type of project just like this. Give us a like on this video and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next project. Let's roll that outro.